So it's about 10:48 a.m. right now. I have a cup of coffee right here, and I haven't eaten yet. I'll probably have my first meal around 12:30, 1 o'clock p.m. And so I'm fasting, intermittent fasting. And one of the benefits that I've come to realize now is the discipline aspect of it. I mean, obviously, there's the benefit of eating your calories within a shorter period of time. So that way you can, potentially feel fuller by having a bigger meal or a couple of bigger meals. But the other side of it is the discipline aspect where if you're someone like me, you really do enjoy food. You enjoy pasta dishes, pizza, tacos. I still eat all those things. I just understand like how to control my calorie amount so that I don't gain an excessive amount of weight, so I can still, obviously maintain my physique and such. So, one of the benefits is by not allowing yourself to consume calories before a certain time, it builds the discipline. So when you get those cravings and you just really have an urge to have, let's just say, I don't know what you like specifically, but a cookie or some potato chips for a lot of people, French fries, you have to tell yourself no. You have to tell yourself, like, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to indulge. I'm not going to overeat on these foods that I know I shouldn't be, because I have a goal. I have something that I want to achieve. I want to see what I can do with my body. And I want to see how I can improve my body for the better, And every time you do that, every time you tell yourself, you're not going to give in to those cravings, you're further building your willpower. You're further building your self-discipline and your confidence in yourself to know that those little cravings aren't going to get the best of you. So I think that one of the benefits is that, and I think you should treat it as a game to make it more enjoyable versus thinking of it as punishment, to see how long you can push off eating those little snacks and potato chips and things like that that you have those cravings for. Just challenge yourself to see and take notes and see how you did. How did that make you feel once you didn't give in to that craving? How much better do you feel about yourself now that that you were able to accomplish your goal for the day, to stay within your calorie range, whatever it may be. So that's just a few thoughts on my mind about what I feel some of the benefits of intermittent fasting is. If you have anything that you want to share, any other benefits that you found from that, drop it down below. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.